So today I had a great day. We went charter fishing and we caught a bunch of redfish. So this video isn't about that. I'm just getting home. What it is about is my truck, and I bought some floor mats for it. So nothing exciting. I'll just show you the quality. I bought them straight from Ford. So stick around. Alright, so the reason I bought floor mats is, as you can tell, I got an STX. It's got the vinyl floors. It's got the ability to receive floor mats, but for some reason it didn't come with floor mats. So I decided to get floor mats. So hopefully I ordered the right ones. We're gonna go open them up. I'll give you the part number. We'll see how they look. And with vinyl, that's great, but I track a lot of stuff in, and I wanted to make it easier and not tear up the actual vinyl flooring. So that's why I got them, and let's go look at what I bought. All right, so I cut it open, and this is what we have in here. Large back, and then the two front ones. Ooh, look at that. What a beautiful, beautiful set of floor mats. So, ooh, it's got some kind of kit in there, so let me open it up and then we'll go from there. So what I'm thinking now after seeing this is that I was supposed to get floor mats with it, but the dealer did not send them, because this is a kit to put these in, and mine already has them, it appears. So we're gonna go with, I don't need these, but congratulations, I purchased a Ford brand accessory. So, anyways, that's sort of strange, but we'll put them in and see how it looks. All right, we'll start with the driver's side. So I got the driver's side, and there's like a magnet on the back of it, it appears. So I think I have the right side. We're gonna find out in a second. But it's got the clips and the magnet, and it's already installed, so it's strange. I didn't install it, but here it is, and boom, boom, and boom. That is super, it's super duty. Driver's side firmly secure mat to retention post. Well, there we go. It even tells you it's the driver's side, so you can't mess it up. That's awesome. Let's put the other side in. All right, now I got the passenger side. It doesn't have a cool magnet, but it is got the clips. So, it's good to know though that if you get it without it prepped for the floor kit, it comes with the mat. So that's a good thing to know. So, with this part number, evidently you get the installation kit too. They don't explain things too well on the Ford website. Another great thing is I was just getting ready to put the rear floor mat in, and I figured out that unlike my F250, it's actually prepped to open up so you can store stuff behind the seat. Who knew? That's awesome. So it's cool that it actually comes with instructions on where to put it. So there we go. I'm gonna go slap it in there. And again, Ford instructions. So there's the back one. I think there's a bin that fits under the seat, so I might get the bin to store all this stuff. But that'll be my next purchase. I don't know what this stuff is, but I'll find out. But so there you have it. Took me like 5 minutes, and luckily it was prepped for it, and I was able to install it, and it looks pretty damn good. I think it'll do just fine. So once again, thanks for watching. Hopefully you like these floor mats. As you can see, you get the kit to install them, you get all the floor mats, and I think they're going to do the job just fine, preventing me from tearing up my vinyl flooring. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Always appreciate it. And keep on watching. Thank you. Have a great day.